NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, and the universe is new, more mysterious, more beautiful than humanity's dreams. And all these little dots are stars?
All these little dots are galaxies, some of which are bigger than our own.
Breaking news. We may have just found potential evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth.
This is a huge discovery, and we think that it's a huge discovery. And that's the most exciting piece of this telescope, of this remarkable instrument we put in space, is finding things that we didn't expect, that we can't explain, because that means that we have to revise our understanding of the universe.
Well, JWST is so phenomenal that if you spend enough time, you could probably find any galaxy that ever formed in the universe. It's really that powerful.
NASA has found a super-Earth that could have conditions to support life. The new exoplanet is 137 light-years away, or about 800 trillion miles. Stargazers say the planet is around 1.5 times the size of Earth and circles a little ruddy star that is cooler than our Sun. Very thrilling. I mean, we haven't found a precise twin for the Earth. This is definitely not an exact reproduction. Yet, out of this most recent batch of 500 new potential planets, it's a bit greater than Earth, around half greater. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has scarcely woken up, and the universe is proving more puzzling and more beautiful than humankind's wildest dreams. This is a gigantic discovery, and we feel it's a tremendous revelation. That's the most exciting part of this telescope, this exceptional instrument we've put in space, finding things we didn't expect or can't explain. That means we must rethink our understanding of the universe. JWST is so remarkable that, given enough time, you could probably find any system that ever formed in the universe. It's really that powerful. Is Proxima Earth's vast twin? Since its discovery in 2016, the closest exoplanet to Earth has been suspected of hiding an intriguing mystery. It might be shockingly similar to our home planet and could even harbor life. Despite its proximity, Proxima has hidden its true nature from us for quite a while. But now, the James Webb Telescope is targeting our neighboring world to uncover its essence. What have astronomers found? What is the story behind the mysterious signal from the Proxima Centauri system, which is said to have an artificial origin? And is it true that Webb has discovered a brilliantly lit alien city there? Let's begin with a basic question. How many planets are there? 8 or 9? Since we're still debating Pluto's status, the answer isn't clear. But there's one thing we shouldn't forget. There are countless planetary systems outside our solar system. We have now discovered at least 6,911 planets in 4,941 systems orbiting stars other than our Sun. However, these identified celestial bodies are just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. Experts estimate that up to 50 billion additional planets exist in the Milky Way alone. And remember, our home galaxy is just one of billions in the universe. This raises a profound question. Given the universe's immense abundance, is it possible Earth is the only celestial body to host life? Many scientists answer humanity's oldest question with a definitive no. They believe it's only a matter of time before we encounter extraterrestrial neighbors. Why search far when alien life might be so close? It could be that the next alien civilization lies just on our cosmic doorstep. After all, no other known exoplanet is closer to us than Proxima b, just 4.2 light-years away. Let's put this distance in perspective. 4.2 light-years is 3,784 trillion kilometers. With current technology, it would take 6,300 years to cross that vast distance. Thankfully, humanity can now explore the mysteries of space from Earth itself. As noted earlier, we've known about Proxima b's existence since 2016. We also know that Proxima b doesn't orbit its host star, Proxima Centauri, alone. It's accompanied by at least 2 other planets. But how do we even detect a celestial body 37 trillion kilometers away? Are modern telescopes like the James Webb Telescope strong enough to find these alien worlds directly and capture images? Not quite. Indirect detection methods have proven most effective. For Proxima b, it was the radial velocity method that revealed its presence. This technique works as follows. While a star's gravity pulls a planet, The planet's gravity also exerts a slight effect on the star, causing it to wobble slightly. These minute wobbles help astronomers deduce a planet's existence. Is Proxima b the Earth 2.0? For a planet to be considered potentially habitable, it must first reside within the habitable zone of its system. This means it must orbit its star at a distance that allows liquid water to exist. However, the mere presence of water isn't enough. Factors like atmospheric composition and the radiation levels of the host star can still hinder life's development. In Proxima b's case, the planet has a mass of 1.7 Earth masses and is classified as Earth-like. However, this term only refers to rocky planets with solid surfaces, not their habitability. Unlike Earth, which takes 365 days to orbit the Sun, Proxima b completes its orbit in just 11 days. This is because it orbits much closer to its star, just 7 million kilometers away, compared to Earth's 150 million kilometers from the Sun. As a result, Proxima b is tidally locked, always presenting the same side to its parent star. This creates extreme conditions, one scorching hot day side and one freezing cold night side. However, between these extremes, there could be a narrow twilight zone offering life-friendly conditions. Simulations suggest liquid water could exist, fed by melting glaciers on the night side. The equilibrium temperature in this zone is estimated to be 39 degrees Celsius. But can life truly exist on Proxima b? The answer depends on many unknown factors. While simulations suggest water could exist, the extreme radiation from Proxima Centauri poses challenges. In 2017, researchers observed a stellar flare 14,000 times stronger than any recorded solar flare. Such flares likely strip Proxima b of its atmosphere, reducing its chances of hosting life. Yet, if Proxima b has a magnetic field, it could protect the planet's atmosphere and water. As we learn more, Proxima b's potential for life remains an open question. Could the mysterious city-like lights observed by JWST indicate an advanced civilization? Or is the exoplanet barren? Only time and continued exploration will tell. While Proxima b presents many challenges for habitability, it also provides intriguing possibilities. If it has a magnetic field, liquid water, and a suitable atmosphere, it could potentially support life, whether microbial or more complex. However, even if life exists, the extreme conditions caused by Proxima Centauri's powerful radiation make survival a significant challenge. Astronomers are particularly fascinated by the possibility of artificial structures or signals coming from Proxima b. In recent years, scientists detected an unusual radio signal originating from the Proxima Centauri system, sparking speculation about its potential artificial origin. Could this signal be evidence of an advanced alien civilization? While such claims remain unverified, they underline the importance of studying exoplanets like Proxima b. The role of JWST and technological advances. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has revolutionized our ability to study distant worlds. With its unmatched sensitivity, JWST can analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets, searching for biosignatures such as oxygen, methane, or other chemicals that might indicate the presence of life. Beyond JWST, private space initiatives like Elon Musk's SpaceX have also advanced our exploration capabilities. Musk's vision of interstellar travel may seem like science fiction today, but with technologies like nuclear fusion propulsion or antimatter engines, humanity could one day bridge the vast distances between stars. Musk has often emphasized the importance of making humanity a multiplanetary species. While Mars is the initial focus, exoplanets like Proxima b represent the next frontier. Though current spacecraft would take thousands of years to reach Proxima b, advancements in propulsion technology could reduce this time frame significantly within the next century. What lies ahead? Proxima b, with its tantalizing mix of promise and peril, represents both the challenges and rewards of exoplanet exploration. Whether or not it harbors life, its study will deepen our understanding of planetary systems and the conditions necessary for life. As humanity continues to refine its observational tools and propulsion technologies, the possibility of directly exploring worlds like Proxima b becomes less distant. each new discovery brings us closer to answering the age-old question. Are we alone in the universe? For now, Proxima b serves as a reminder of the vastness and mystery of the cosmos. It fuels our curiosity and inspires us to push the boundaries of what is possible in science and exploration. With instruments like JWST and the ambition of space pioneers, the answers to these cosmic questions may be closer than we think. Proof of the JWST's unequaled exactness in detecting these lights might provide the initial indication of a highly advanced extraterrestrial civilization. However, the JWST is not limited to studying metropolitan lights. It can also analyze atmospheric composition, which is essential for determining whether planets like Proxima b are habitable. By observing the interaction of starlight with the planet's atmosphere, researchers can detect the presence of gases such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, and methane, which could be signs of biological activity. The discovery of these gases on Proxima raises the fascinating possibility of sentient beings altering their environment. Beyond the possibility of life, in the context of our quest to understand the universe, the JWST represents cutting-edge technology. New information about Proxima b and other distant worlds will be unveiled as the telescope continues its mission. Is there anything else it could discover that would reshape our perception of the universe and our role within it? Finding Proxima b and any signs of life there could have profound implications for our species. Confirming the existence of intelligent life on another planet could radically change our perception of the universe and our place within it. There are immense benefits and significant risks associated with the prospect of communicating with an extraterrestrial civilization. Discovering life on Proxima raises the urgent question of how to connect with these extraterrestrial beings. It would be considerably more challenging to communicate with aliens in reality than in science fiction, where aliens frequently share a common language or symbolic interpreters. Deciphering the meaning of any signals or messages received from Proxima b would still be a monumental task. We may not have encountered anything like their culture, language, or methods of communication before. The moral consequences of discovering an extraterrestrial civilization are another critical factor to consider. Should we attempt to communicate with the advanced civilization on Proxima? What if we cause harm or even a total disruption to their way of life? Historically, violent and exploitative practices have often followed initial human contact between Earth's different civilizations. What if this were to happen on a cosmic scale if humans tried to communicate with aliens? Finding life on Proxima b may also usher in a golden age of technology and science. Our current understanding of the universe could be entirely reshaped if we can communicate with a highly advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Everything from healthcare to renewable energy to space exploration becomes attainable. On the other hand, it's also possible that we are the more advanced civilization. Is it morally acceptable to teach the inhabitants of Proxima b what we know, or should we let them progress at their own pace? We need to give these concerns serious thought as we stand on the brink of discovering evidence of alien life. There are many complex obstacles we must be ready to overcome following what might be the most pivotal event in human history: the discovery of life on Proxima b. The immense difficulty of interstellar travel is underscored by the potential presence of life or advanced civilizations on Proxima b. Although it may seem like an exciting prospect, the reality of visiting or even populating a planet around Proxima Centauri is far more complicated. The 4.24 light-years between Earth and Proxima b present numerous challenges that, with our current technology, do not appear solvable. The primary issue is that with our current means of space travel, it is unlikely humans could ever cross the vast distance between Earth and Proxima b. For example, the Voyager spacecraft is currently moving at a speed of about 38,000 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest objects ever launched from Earth. Using chemical propulsion technology like current rockets is clearly not a viable option for interstellar travel, as reaching Proxima would take approximately 73,000 years at that rate. New propulsion systems are already in development, and scientists are working diligently to shorten travel time. Light sails, which could be driven by lasers shot from Earth, are one of the more intriguing ideas. An interplanetary journey to Proxima might be feasible in the next 20 to 30 years if this technology enables spacecraft to travel at a significant fraction of the speed of light. However, there would still be many obstacles to overcome on such a journey, such as developing advanced energy sources and addressing issues like cosmic radiation and onboard life support systems, potentially providing the energy needed to power a spaceship for long-distance travel. The concept of nuclear fusion propulsion is another thrilling possibility. Although fusion technology is in its infancy, it could drastically improve space travel by utilizing fuel efficiently and allowing for faster flight times. Yet, interstellar expeditions would still be decades away using this technology. There are a host of other challenges to consider. Even if we could develop the necessary propulsion systems, how long could astronauts survive on such a mission? Would they remain in stasis the entire way to Proxima b? Or would entire human generations come and go aboard the spacecraft? How would extended space travel affect humans mentally and physically? The journey to Proxima presents enormous difficulties, but they are not insurmountable. These challenges could be overcome, and extraterrestrial life might be contacted in the future, provided space travel technology continues to evolve. When we arrive, the real question is, will we be prepared for what we find? As we explore the likelihood of intelligent life on Proxima b, the ethical questions surrounding communication with an alien culture arise. Conflict, misunderstanding, and exploitation have often accompanied first contact between Earth's many cultures throughout human history. Are we headed down the same path if we attempt to communicate with aliens? If we find life on Proxima b, one of the primary ethical considerations is whether we should attempt to contact the planet. We cannot know how technologically advanced, socially developed, or peacefully inclined their culture is. Yet discovering artificial structures like city lights on other planets would be a significant clue. Just as European colonizers disrupted indigenous tribes in the Americas and elsewhere on Earth, we risk unintentionally harming their society if we rush in unprepared. Conversely, if we choose not to communicate, we risk missing a unique opportunity to gain knowledge from an entirely different culture. From their philosophical perspectives to their technological advancements, the information we could gather from the inhabitants of Proxima b could be invaluable. We might gain a deeper appreciation of the universe and alter the course of human history as a result. However, we must also consider the risk of contamination. We need to think about the dangers of alien viruses infecting Earth, just as we worry about Earth-based microbes contaminating other planets. The potential presence of infectious microorganisms on Proxima b poses a threat to Earth's biosphere. This highlights the importance of implementing strict biosecurity protocols to prevent a disaster. Exploitation is another ethical concern. We might bed technological advancements if it is inhabited by a less developed civilization. Whenever a stronger society encounters a weaker one, exploitation has collaboration. These are critical ethical considerations as humanity continues to search for alien life. Our approach to first contact has the potential to determine our species and our universe's future. Discovering evidence of an extraterrestrial civilization or city lights on Proxima b would be one of the most extraordinary revelations in human history. Beyond the realm of science, this discovery would have profound implications for religion, politics, philosophy, and society at large. Crucially, finding extraterrestrial intelligent life would force us to reevaluate our role in the universe. For centuries, humans have viewed themselves as the highest form of life on Earth, the sole intelligent species. Discovering another civilization on Proxima b would completely transform our understanding of intelligence, consciousness, and the origins. Religious groups around the world would also face challenging questions. Humanity, according to many religious beliefs, is God's special creation positioned at the very center of the universe. Religious leaders might be compelled to rethink their interpretations of sacred texts in light of the possibility of sentient and advanced alien species existing beyond Earth. How might people view God and the universe differently in light of this new information? Equally profound are the political repercussions of discovering extraterrestrial life. New international organizations might be formed as a result of the discovery, or competition among nations to contact or even dominate the extraterrestrial civilization could be sparked. Space travel, once a benign field of scientific study, may soon become the next frontier for global power struggles. Some countries might seek to establish communication with alien civilizations as quickly as possible, while others may push for space treaties to govern their dealings with extraterrestrials. The social impact of discovering extraterrestrial life is immense, as it has the potential to ignite a scientific renaissance. Advancements in technology, healthcare, and energy generation could result from a surge in interest in research and development, prompted by such a discovery of life.